how to change your location without Tinder passport in just a few steps. Enter the description of this video and download the perfect tool for this process. It's called MockGo. It's one of those tested programs to change the GPS location of iPhone devices with just one click. It is widely used for location-based games such as Pokémon Go because it is very convenient as it does not require any jailbreak. Additionally, it is compatible with all iPhone models, including the latest iPhone 15 with iOS 17. When you download the program, you will connect your iPhone and click Start on the main screen to see your device's current location on the map. That's all. The program shows you the location of your iPhone. What you have to do is change it to the country where you want it to appear, and that's it. The application will do the magic. Now we just have to restart the Tinder application, and we will see another location of the people around us. It is too incredible how this tool works immediately. Remember that in order to use it, you only have to enter the link in the video description. See you another day on this same channel.